Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a wonderful opportunity to the UG or the PG, that means undergraduate as well as the postgraduate candidates. Even though the freshers also can apply for this one, and this recruitment notification we got from the DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization from Ministry of Defense. And here the salary is also 31,000 rupees per month plus HRA is also available, guys. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UG Senate December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. So regarding this one, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science, and this crash course is going to start from 18th August onwards. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So regarding this one, the links I kept in the description box of this video, and to get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a Defense Research Development Organization official website. In this one, if you go to the careers block, here you may check down whatever the different recruitment notifications are there. Out of this one, the few notifications here the repeated. Anyhow, I'm going to show you the three different notifications from this DRDO, guys. And out of those three, so it is the first one, Government of India, Ministry of Defense, from Defense Research and Development Organization, Center for Airborne Systems, from Bengaluru. And in this one, the applications are invited for the award of JRF, and the fellowship vacancies total 20 are there. So I think it is a very good number, guys. A panel of candidates would be operated for filling future vacancies in the order of merit or discipline for a period of one year from the date of declaration of panel. Discipline-wise vacancies, including the projected vacancies, as following. So aeronautical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and the mechanical engineering. So here I may check down the aeronautical 2 vacancies and computer science 5, electronics and communication engineering 9, and the electrical engineering 1 vacancy is there. And coming to the equivalent acceptable subjects of essential qualification degrees are mentioned here. So for aeronautical engineering or aerospace or avionics. For computer science and engineering technology, engineering and IT, software engineering technology, computer science, so related to this one. And coming to the electronics and communication and electronics engineering, fine. So electronics and instrumentation, telecommunication, electronics and electrical communication, fine. So all these branches are available, eligible for this one. And coming to the electrical power systems and power electronics and electrical with communication engineering, and then mechanical also given here, mechanical and production or mechanical and automation. And the research areas are mentioned here, and the place of research fellowship, Center for Airborne Systems, CABS, DRDO, Ministry of Defense, Bengaluru. And the duration, initially the offer shall be period of 2 years, which may be extended for further 2 years subject to review committee's recommendation. And coming to the stipend, 31,000 rupees per month plus HRA is available. And the educational qualification required here is BE or BTech in first division with valid GATE score, or ME or MTech in above disciplines in first division, both at the graduate and the postgraduate level. That means if you're having the post graduation, GATE score is not required, but if you're applying only with BTech, means the GATE score is required, and the GATE score is applicable, the GATE 2020 as well as the 2021 are only acceptable. And upper age limit not more than 28 years on the closing date of advertisement, 5 years relaxation to SC/ST candidates and 3 years to the OBC non-creamy layer candidates. Caste certificate copy to be enclosed with the application form. And coming to the selection procedure, candidates will be shortlisted based upon their valid GATE scores, and the marks score secured in the degree or postgraduate degree shall be called for a web-based online interview. That means here the interview is also online, guys. So I think you need not to physically go there. By simply sitting in your home itself, you can attend the interview. And the time and date or procedure for interview will be intimated by email or SMS. The final select list of successful candidates for the existing vacancies and panel of candidates for future vacancies will be uploaded on the DRDO website. And coming to the application procedure, the duly filled application in the format furnished below should be sent to the email ID. So the email ID is also provided here. And application form can also be downloaded from what's new section of the DRDO website. And applications in specified pro forma is to be submitted through email along with the self-attested and scanned copies of required certificates or the degrees. The last date for receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. Fine. So still the date is there. So all the interested candidates follow these instructions, guys. And I will provide this website. Okay, this website link in the description box of this video. So to get the advertisement, you may click on this one, guys. Fine. And then you will be directed to this one. Okay, so these are the details regarding this one. And coming to the next one. So the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology from Pune. So here also the JRF recruitment is there, only one vacancy. So for this one, the essential qualification ME or MTech in communication systems, signal processing, RF photonics, VLS and embedded systems, optical communications, optical engineering, free space, wireless optical communication, atmospheric sciences. Okay, all these things with valid gate score must be there, and the age limit not to exceed 28 years and 31,000 rupees consolidated you will get. Okay, so the last date is the 14th August 2021. Okay, and the date of interview is on 16th August 2021. And the mode of interview will be in person or else via video conferencing. It depends upon the COVID situation, guys. Okay, and how to apply: a brief biodata, duly signed application form, and the proof of date of birth, ME or MTech mark sheets and degree certificates may be sent to the email ID of the principal investigator. Here the email ID is also provided in PDF form as a single file with the subject titled as application for JRF on or before 14th August 2021. Okay, and one more is also there here. So it is also from Defense Institute of Advanced Technology from Pune. So JRF recruitment. So here the two vacancies are there. For this one, the qualification required is ME or MTech in computer science and engineering, information technology, electronics and communication or equivalent with gate qualification also must be there. And the age limit as well as the stipend available is also mentioned here. And for this one, the last date to apply is the 24th August 2021. This one also the mode of entry will be in person or else via video conferencing as per the situation, guys. And how to apply means the same thing, but here the mail ID is changed and the last date is 24th August 2021. Okay. So finally, these are the complete details regarding the DRDO recruitment notifications, guys. And here the contact number is also provided for this one. If you are having any queries, you may contact this number for this notification, guys. Okay. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.